Hello, welcome to Fridge and Pipes Garage. I'm Fridge and this is my co-host.
I'm Pipes, and this is our 1975 F100, Ford F100 that we're going to be working on throughout the summer through the scoldering heat. This was meant to be done by the time the fun run came around this year, but that deadline has come and gone. So we're just going to be cleaning it out and making it an awesome road racing truck. You'll see in these shots here that this is kind of what it all looks like, what it's all equipped with. And you know, we're just going to be tearing it down and making it an awesome street truck, I think, is kind of the main point.
Yeah.
Right?
Budget of what, $10,000 I think we decided
$10,000
on
US.
To build a relatable in your garage at home street type truck build that you could take to a car show and be proud of showing off.
Something that anybody can do in their garage in their spare time and just, you know, drive it.
Yeah. And first plan of order of operation. Clear the box out. It's as you can see, full of junk.
Junk. These are treasures. This drill, it probably works immaculately still. Like you don't find these anywhere in the stores anymore. They don't make them like they used to. Honestly, Fridge, I'm surprised that you'd call this junk. Like, I don't appreciate that.
What do you own, a 5.9 common rail? Last of the good ones?
No. Yeah, we're cleaning this thing out because the Folgers tin does not need to stay.
No. Plus, we need to see what the bed looks like.
Yeah.
So we can kind of assess what.
Assess and caress.
Yeah.
That's
basically.
Honestly, the patina on this thing is just like you can't buy this in the dealership.
So yeah, first plan. Clear the truck box out of junk. And then we can drag it inside and go from there.
Start restoring.
Yeah, restoring would be one word for it.
Making it road worthy. Road legal.
Road legal.
Barely.
In Canada.
Just passing.
Which isn't easy to do. Okay, well.
4 wheels and 2 mirrors, I think you're okay.
4 wheels, 2 mirrors.
And mostly runs okay.
I don't know if this is for this.
I don't trust that. Not with my life anyway. Oh yeah. Boys, they don't make them like they used to. I tell you what. Oh, I'm glad they don't make them like they used to. This is heavy. Pardon my French. I wonder they make them out of aluminum nowadays. Golly.
Piece of a barbecue?
No.
No. Yeah, outdoor gas grill. Ourselves a Dodge, Seth.
Whoa, golly, I thought this was a Ford.
So backstory on this truck. So this truck's been here at my dad's shop for as long as I can remember. So at least 23 years, give or take a year, if I remember. And yeah, so the truck is local to the area. It was sold at the local Ford dealership, brand new in '75. And yeah, so it's just kind of been, I always thought it was a cool truck. I'm not a Ford guy myself personally, but it's a factory big block 390 automatic, and I think it'll make a pretty wicked project.
Yeah, and allegedly it still has the 390 in it, so...
Allegedly, we don't know for sure.
We don't know for sure.
We didn't run the
Which
numbers.
is why we're going to tear it down.
But
The numbers say it's supposed to have a 390 in it.
We are missing a transmission though.
We are, yeah. That's a very vital part of moving.
Yeah, we'll figure that out. I don't think there's a center section either. No, there must be. There's a drive shaft.
Yeah,
that's right.
Center section.
Yeah, no, we're got a center section. No transmission though.
No transmission.
So that will be addressed in a later episode.
We got the bed, but no frame.
Okay, so got all the metal cleaned out now.
Metal's gone.
Gonna finish the rest of the garbage, sweep up the bed, and then drag it inside.
Yeah, somebody did a very poor job of wood floor swapping this thing. Like it's not held up very well. Boy, oh no.
Wolf to me.
Oh no.
We can fix that.
Yep. Flex tape can't, but we can.
One day it's not windy in Saskatchewan.
It's a blessing and a curse.
Yeah, blessing and a curse. Wolf to me.
We also got nozzles in here. Powder hole.
So we might need a header panel.
And some gardening to do.
Some gardening to do.
Free potting soil included with your purchase of 75 F100. God, they really think of everything, don't they?
Okay.
We literally got everything and the kitchen sink.
Everything out of the kitchen sink.
This is great.
How bad's the floor?
Check this. It's heavy.
Ooh.
Yeah, better get a close up on this. This is ungood.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is why you don't put plywood in the bed of the truck you plan on storing for the next 24 years. 5, 6, or 7. You end up with this. And then some dumb 20-year-olds decide they want to buy and fix your truck, then they got to deal with it. So be kind of those dumb 20-year-olds. Please and thank you. Do you know what we said we paid my old man for this thing? 800 bucks? Canadian?
800.
Canadian?
800 Canadian.
So whatever that works out to in American, 560 bucks I think.
Like 2 quarters and a soda pop, maybe?
Yeah, pretty much.
In this day and age?
Get you a Big Mac meal at McDonald's in the States.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
I think all we got here is just potting soil and wood. Oh, don't forget this
I need to grab a broom.
thing.
I think I dumped the garbage can on my way. No, we can't put a Dodge in the Ford.
390 swap.
Coyote swap.
392 swap. Yikes.
show you the parts truck that I don't know what I bought. Oh, I bought it for a rear end for something.
Yeah, like this thing, I'm not in the shot, but this thing is just now spick and span.
We're gonna get it for now.
I wouldn't lean on this box too much. Yeah. It's mint. Yeah, let's go take a look at that parts truck.
Yeah, that's where we're getting the rear glass from. And now
some
probably bed floor.
Bed floor, because this is
Worse than we anticipated.
not good. Free speed holes and arrow though. It's gonna go faster if we leave it like that.
This is like 0.2 off the quarter mile time probably.
Oh, easily.
Like instead of a 17.6, we're gonna run a 17.4.
Yeah, because they say like rust adds weight, but they don't account for holes. And there is holes.
There's lots of holes.
There's some holes.
There is a few.
As you've seen.
Okay, let's look at the parts truck.
Let's go look at the parts truck. I can take my gloves off and bring my soft drink beverage.
Your adult beverage? No, we're not drinking.
My sugar-free,
Coke Zero.
no, my sugar-free soft drink.
Oh, we can't label name?
No.
Well, I have my no-name brand, also sugar.
Energy increasing beverage.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, energy increasing beverage. That's almost empty.
Look at that. We're like vlogging now. This is deadly.
Hell yeah.
I think some asbestos might have gotten in this. That ain't good.
Well, I went with the variety with the cap.
That's smart. See, they don't make my sugar-free soft drink with
In a
cap
can?
versions.
In a
Canned cap versions they don't make.
Cap.
They make capped versions
They do.
in
I quite enjoy the cherry variety.
same.
Okay, so this is the parts truck. I don't remember what I paid for it. I bought it for a rear diff center section for a project, I don't know, a number of years ago. And it's just been sitting here ever since. Basically, this is how I bought it, the truck, minus rear end. Rear end housing was cracked, gave it to a buddy for free so he could build a custom narrowed 9-inch out of it. And I just wanted the center section and axles. So this is where she sits. This is how she came. No engine, no transmission. What we are going to be stealing out of it though is back glass. And
it's still there.
depending on what the bed floor looks like, probably some sections of bed floor. And any other trinkets and knickknacks
Odds and ends you may need
we
for
may or may not need
rebuilding another truck that's
for that other
slightly
truck.
less junk than the one that's here.
Well, that one's got a hood and an engine, so we're at least 86.7% better.
Yeah. Yeah,
At
that's
least.
that's good math, I'd
Yeah.
say.
At least. No
Is
transmission.
Is
though.
the bed solid?
I don't know. They got attacked by a backhoe. That's why it's crumpled.
Well, there's enough dirt in here
That it might not be.
something may have gone on.
Well, it did sit underneath those trees
Oh.
before I purchased it. But yeah. Good back glass, that's what we care about. And I'm going to call this truck net neutral on price because I probably sold the diff for the price I paid for it. The whole truck.
So it's basically just a win.
Yeah.
All the way around.
Plus it has a 5.7 Hemi in it.
That pays for itself, really.
It's not my 5.7 Hemi, but there is a 5.7
It's
Hemi.
a 5.7 Hemi. It's not a good 5.7 Hemi, but it's a
No.
5.7 Hemi.
But it is a Hemi.
And the back glass is just in mint shape.
Actually, it is pretty good shape.
Like it's
I'm
there.
not going to buy that seal though. That's going to make me nervous.
You can.
LMC
Yeah.
sells it.
You can get it from a lot of places.
Like
Not
Rock
just
Auto.
LMC. Probably Rock Auto.
I like Rock Auto.
Yeah.
Rock Auto's good price.
Yeah.
Rock
so
Auto should sponsor us.
that'd be nice. Rock Auto, if you're watching,
Sponsor us.
sponsor this video.
I buy way too many parts from you guys. Okay, I think that's it. Drag the truck inside.
Yeah, I think that's about a wrap for tonight. We cleaned
Pick
up
up
the
from
truck.
there.
We've seen the donor truck. Surprise! I didn't even know this was a donor truck. So
I'd turn it into the donor truck.
I am also surprised by that. I'm gonna center us in the frame for our send-off.
Hell yeah.
Well, till next time. I'm Pipes.
Fridge.
that's fridge. And we'll see you in the next one, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Feels like the whole truck's lifting up off my chest.
Oh wait, it is!